Hello, good morning mga friendship! Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. It's me again, Teacher Abacial. Welcome back to my channel. If bago lang kayo, i-click nyo na yung red na subscribe button at yung bell beside it para updated kayo sa mga kakaiba at masarap na lutuin. And for today, tayo ay gagawa ng cake using only 3 ingredients. So I know nakagawa na ako nito, pero ito different ingredients naman. And ito yung plano ko na ibigay sa aking nanay ngayong Mother's Day. So please keep on watching! Thank you so much for watching mga friendship. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong aking video. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe! Sana matulungan nyo ako mga friendship na ma-achieve ko yung 1,000 subscribers this month. Salamat in advance sa inyong suporta. Thank you! So, always remember your life is a gift from God. What you do with it is your gift to God. Thank you! Happy Mother's Day again to all the moms out there, to all the moms watching this video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!